Hi, this is Joël Meyer. In these uncertain times, I would like to encourage you to prepare one of your special holiday recipes and share the result with people who live alone or with families who are having a hard time. That's what I started to do myself, and I decided to share with you this delicious Dutch Christmas bread recipe. Here are the ingredients you will need: flour, milk, butter, brown sugar, dry yeast, raisins, candied fruit and eggs. The bread is stuffed with almond paste made from ground almonds, brown sugar and an egg white. Add the butter and the brown sugar into the measuring cup with the milk. Heat in the microwave for 1 minute. Mix well, pour the yeast into the mixture and mix again. Let the yeast dissolve for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, place the following ingredients in a large bowl: flour, raisins and candied fruits, and eggs. When the yeast is well dissolved, add the milk mixture to the bowl. Mix everything together. Separately, prepare the almond paste. In a dish, place the ground almonds, brown sugar and an egg white. Mix everything well. If you find the mixture is too dry, add a little bit of water. The bottom line is that when you squeeze the mixture with your hands, it should stick together. Take a cookie sheet and cover it with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Place the dough on the baking sheet and flatten it as much as possible. Then, transfer the almond paste and shape it like a sausage in the middle of the bread. Fold one of the long sides of the dough over the almond paste. Then, fold the ends of the bread over. And finally, fold up the other long side of the bread. The almond paste is then trapped in the middle of the bread. When you have wrapped the almond paste in the dough, turn the bread over so that the folds are underneath. This will prevent the bread from opening up during baking and letting the almond paste come out. Let the bread rise for about 30 minutes in a warm oven. Take the bread out of the oven and preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. When the oven is at the right temperature, put the Christmas bread in the oven and bake it for about 20 minutes. Take the bread out of the oven and let it cool down. For the complete recipe with quantities, go to the Animaplates website. You can download it for free. And what are you going to prepare and share during this holiday season? Send us pictures and even your recipes. We could publish them on the Animaplates website to encourage others to follow your example. When we share, everybody wins. Talk to you soon!